episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got some Bulramen. This is their extra hot, kind of like a 2X spicy clone, made in South Korea for the export market. So, cook for 5 minutes. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. We need 5 minutes. There's our 5. And we've got sauce. Shaky, shaky. And a big noodle block. So let's drop that noodle block in and get the show on the road, as it were. So, this technically is the first episode that I will, or the first review I'll be doing, where I used a new tool that was kind of a pain to make, but honestly, I'm probably going to use it for the rest of eternity. It ended up being a pain in the ass to get it all put together, mainly because there was a problem with the place where I got one of the key components. Let me go get it. So this is called the RPFD, the Ramen Packaging Flattening Device. This is a piece of 3/4 inch plexiglass, and this is a shower grabbing handle. So like if you're in the shower and you need something, it's got little things that suction cup to it. Kind of looks like a phone that you couldn't talk on because there's a thing in the way. I asked people, so what do you think this is? People would just really got stuck on the oh, it's a shower handle. It's a thing for getting in the tub. Yes, that is an aspect of it, but I'm talking about the whole thing. But what happened the other day is I got a package of YY Quick Zab noodles, and they have metallic packaging. And for years I've had an issue with metallic packaging. It wrinkles, of course, and then it like reflects, so you get all these glare spots. And yes, I go and meticulously take them all out. I use a clone stamp tool in Photoshop, and I do it all up nice. It takes some time, and I don't want my main goal is to be able to do this and have it take as little time as possible, more efficient with my workflow. I took my wife's Uncle Joe gave me an old Microsoft Surface 3 tablet. And it was sitting on top of the scanner, and I was thinking, hey, maybe I should try that for this packaging. And it made a big difference. Flat, the right amount of weight. And I thought, hey, I went to the plexiglass place the other day to get the plexiglass for the marquee on the arcade cabinet. I bet you they got something like this. And that's where this came from. Although they screwed it up at first, but they made it right. So that's cool. But yeah, I mean, it like, you could take the last one I did was that Mi Goreng, was the second one I did. And as you can see, it's wrinkly. And I was putting I had like a padded mailer. I'd make this flat, put a padded mailer on top of it, put a big like a phone book on top of it, then do the scanning. That thing is flat as flat can be. So it really works well. You just like put it on top of it and kind of move it around a little bit, and that kind of works it out. The amount of little glare spots from wrinkles is diminished by, I would say, like 70% more over the old method. So I'm stoked. Oh crap, we gotta save 8 spoons of water. This is something that makes people angry. 8 spoons of water? No, you drain it all out, Ramen, right? No, you don't. That's the thing. Where's that? Oh no, where's my thing? There's my thing. So 8 spoons of water is 120 milliliters, okay? That's 8. That's 8 teaspoons. So, one of my pro tips that I'm always mentioning, it's a pro tip. This is a baby bottle, and they're in graduated measurements of blah blah blah. They're in milliliters, so it's like if you need a specific amount of milliliters, this is the way to do it. And I need 120, and 120 is right there. So I'm gonna grab some of the water, the Ramen water. Oh, don't use that water, it's dirty. No, it's not dirty. One. That's about 80. Oh, that's about 80. Okay, come on. I don't want to cook you. Come on. Little bit more. And you might be thinking, wow, that's really for like a bulldog style thing? It's like, yeah. There, perfect. So now the idea is that you take this, you take it off, you drain it, and then you stir fry it. Which is really tricky. Because if you use all this liquid in this pan, it doesn't really work all that wonderfully. So you got to use a different thing. I'll just use that. But you only need to stir fry it for 30 seconds, is what they're saying. But 30 seconds, just return it and, stir fry it for 30 seconds. It's like, dude, that's gonna take a little bit of time, don't you think? To get it hot enough to do that? So, I'm going to attempt to do so. Here's our noodle. Here's our water. Now you're like, holy crap, that's a lot of liquid. Like, not really. It's a half a cup, just about, but it's more than most people seem to be using. People get mad. I mean, really mad. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. Why get mad? No point in getting mad. Oh. I get mad. I get real mad. You're making me mad. I get mad when I get this red, spicy blood on the stove. And now the idea is you stir fry it for 30 seconds. See, the deal here, can you even see what I'm doing? So the deal here is that since it has a wider area and now it's being stir fried, is that it will lose a lot of this liquid. But as you can see, it isn't going to. So it's going to be kind of soupy. And I'm sorry, but those are the freaking instructions. And I'm close to being over 30 seconds already. So, I mean, wow. And I'm planning on doing a mukbang of this, and I'm not super thrilled about that, because this stuff isn't like, It smells kind of funk. I gotta admit, it doesn't smell appetizing to me in the slightest. But let's cook it down just for a second more. So you won't see me taste it on this episode, but I am gonna do a mukbang. So rest assured, you'll get to watch me go, ooh, 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 or dude, this isn't even hot. If it's hot, I'll be jumping up and down, but if it's not hot to me, then I won't be. Okay, that's definitely more than called for. I apologize for my inauthenticity. Okay. Yeah. The red blood of the bulldog. Put a little bit of spring onion. There. Just a little. And then we have our flake. We have our scissors. I mean, they're not yours. I don't know why I'm saying our. Where'd the scissors go? Oh, they went in the... Yes, yeah, okay. This will be interesting too, because I want it to keep looking fancy and nice like this, and I don't want it to... Oh, rats. Good enough. I hate those terms. I hate those two words put together. That's good enough. It's like, no, I want it to be perfect. Wow, I can really smell that seaweed too. Holy moly. All right. All right. Well, you're not going to see me eat any of this right now. You're going to see it on the next episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, which will be coming out about an hour after this one was posted. I'm guessing in December. It's going to be a while. Should also mention that episode 2000 of Instant Noodle Recipe Time has been recorded and is waiting in the wings for whenever that is going to be the right date to publish. Probably March, and it's early August. I'm talking like 7 months out. Good God. Anyways, this is Mounts the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I'll eat this in a minute. Have a good one. Bye-bye.